So here's my question to you guys. Would you like to see that bike race motocross this year over here in the USA? There is some rumors going around that Tony Cairoli, that guy right there, the MXGP multi-time champion, could be over here in a few select rounds aboard the Ducati. And I'm just going to say, I don't really see it happening because there is some hurdles that they're going to have to go over. Obviously, to race a bike over here, you have to meet the homologation rules, which are a couple of them. The production quantity, at least 200 of the motocross model must be manufactured and made publicly available in the US. You have to be able to buy them. Along that line, publicly available. The bike must be able for purchased or available for purchase through dealerships before the start of the season. So, and then the third part of this, manufacturers must submit the bike and all required documentation to the AMA by the end of March, before the start of the MX season, which gives Ducati 45 days to do this. Who knows how many bikes they actually have made? Obviously, that one right there is a probably one-off prototype that's going to be going around. I think it's 8 rounds of Supercross that you'll be seeing that bike. But it'd be super cool. I'm gonna say this in my own opinion. I would absolutely love this. I think it would be super cool. I don't see it happening. In 45 days to get 200 of these bikes produced and on showroom floors that you can sell. And obviously, the ones that are on a showroom floor are going to be much different than that bike right there. They're not going to have all the little trick pieces, probably, this, that, all the sponsor stuff, maybe not a full exhaust. It's going to be a different bike. But even on that point, to get race bikes too, you'd have to have, a couple race bikes, you have to have motors, you have to have test bikes, you're gonna have to have all the bits and barbs and backup pieces for all of this stuff. I don't see it happening. I would absolutely love it though. And Gate Drop did do an interview with Tony Cairoli, and we're gonna say this. I'm gonna read it how it's written. It is kind of broken English, so it's not me being dumb. It's just how it's how it's written. I said, quote, yeah, I mean, I've always been a fan of the AMA Nationals. I was here in 2022 for some rounds. It was just for fun, so I had some good results also. And yeah, you never know. To launch the bike in the US, it would be a nice thing with an Italian rider and an Italian bike. So we are not on the plan yet, but yeah, if there's an opportunity, I would like it. Now, more often, I see this happening next year. I mean, obviously, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think the plan is that they are going to be over here next year for the full series. Obviously, Supercross, Motocross, and the playoffs. So that's when I see this bike actually debuting. I would again absolutely love to see this bike in a couple rounds of the outdoors, even if it's just a for fun thing. Put Cairoli on a bike, let him run around for 3 or 4 rounds, whatever it is, and just see where it stacks up. And for them, it'd be incredible testing. Hey, we know in this race how fast he was against these brands and these riders. What can we do? Or how far off are we? Or are we right on pace? It would be really good. I just don't see it happening. It's a lot of legwork to get done in 45 days to get the bikes built here on sale, and then figure out everything else they need to do. Again, absolutely would love it. Would love to see him over here racing. I mean, multi-time world champion. You can never say he's going to be bad. It's just going to be if they can get all the stuff done. Who knows? But I'm excited for this. Obviously, more factory teams, factory rides, more rides for bikes, or more rides for people. It helps out the sport, more money. It's just a cool thing. And obviously, Ducati, everything they've made lately are rocket ships. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's going to happen? Do you want it to happen? What do you think of A1? Are you excited for San Diego? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.